Start medics code 3 for 1 with bleeding coming out of the ear and pepper spray exposure.
Copy, medics code 3.
Jumped on both of them. These two guys that went at each other, man, they jumped on each other. I'm like trying to fight, trying to pull them apart. No, one guy that sold the house.
Stand up.
Inside the store?
Yeah, out here. So he comes running up, he's walking out the door and they start throwing guns.
Alright, come on out. We're going to go to my car and we're going to have medics check out, okay? Alright, go ahead and hit this flag right here. I don't know if you can see it all. Just keep blinking your eyes for me. Your eyes. You got anything on you you're not supposed to have? Alright. Alright, look the other way. Look the other way. Alright, so we got medics coming for you. He was being detained on the ground. There's 2 in there that were detaining him. I told him to stand by.
Is that Shiloh?
Shiloh.
Shiloh, are you a victim? Okay, do you want to press charges? You're not. Okay, can you just hang out for a minute? Ambulance is coming to check you out.
1049. E for Bill hit.
Flagged officer safety for carrying a knife in a sheath on himself.
Take your feet out and cross your ankles. Yes.
Yeah, 397.
Hey Richie, Shiloh got pepper sprayed by a citizen. It sounds like they also pinned him to the ground and were hitting him. He's got some blood coming out of his right ear, and he obviously is exposed to pepper spray. We're working through the investigation, and it maybe sounds like he's victim.
Alright? Okay? Have elderly down in pepper spray exposure also. He was uninvolved, but he was exposed to pepper spray. And then he fell pretty hard. He ran to basically hit left elbow. What's your name, bud? Charles? His name's Jesse.
Shiloh. I told her to grab it out because as soon as he started walking up to us, I was like, get the pepper spray out. And then he charged me and she got him directly. That's the wrong one today, buddy.
Hey, do me a favor and just stand back, okay?
Yeah, it's all good. Just telling it. Yeah.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, thank you. Alright, there you go, this way. I do. There you go.
43 0.
TR 3038.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
I got your stuff, so I'll get your stuff. I'll make sure that okay. So anything on you that I should know about right now? I'll find it.
Alright, you have a good day, okay?
This is fine.
Christian.
Alright. I'm gonna go in here just to get you out of the public right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem with it?
Yeah, I got the. I'll roll it down. I'll grab it down.
We're checking out with this order, and this guy's at the self-checkout, and he just starts talking shit to me, dude. Just
Random?
Huh?
Random?
I've never seen the guy in my life.
Wow.
He starts saying he's gonna f me up, he's gonna beat my ass, he's gonna wait for me outside. And as soon as I got on the phone to call the cops, and I walked right here, he came up to me and went to go hit me, and I put my foot up like that to go, like, you know, push him back.
Yeah.
And then it all led into the store. And before that, I told my wife to get the pepper spray because he was acting crazy and he was approaching us in the store, and she's pregnant.
Oh, okay.
And so as soon as we started wrestling in there, I pushed him into the counter, and then she was over my shoulder and she pepper sprayed him.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah. And then I wrestled him to the ground, and this guy over here in the purple shirt helped me. He was holding his legs, and I was just choking him out, dude. That was
Dude,
good. Yeah.
props, man.
Thanks, bro.
That's awesome. Way
Yeah,
to
no, it was crazy.
take care of
bro.
business.
Didn't expect it. And fuck.
Yeah,
It
you
was
shouldn't have to
wild.
deal with that.
No, yeah, for sure. Especially like in CVS, it was crazy, bro.
Yeah.
So, just handle business, bro. You know.
Yeah. Hey, I appreciate you. Thank you, man.
Yeah, bro. Is it gonna be on YouTube?
Slo County Observer on YouTube.
Okay, cool.
All right, man. Yeah, when he was over there, what was it, like a couple months ago? He was like threatening me with like killing my family and like. You good, bro?
Some money, dog.
Huh?
Some money.
You just, what?
Don't fucking shoot me in the face, dog.
You're gonna punch me in the face?
Shoot. Gun.
Oh, you're gonna shoot me in the face?
Make sure it's voice identified.
No, I got you. Yeah. It's not cool to be threatening people. It's not cool to be threatening people. You're gonna kill my family?
Yes, dog. I want to make sure it's recorded.
Yeah, it is. This whole thing's recorded right now.
Make sure it's recorded.
Yeah. All right, bro. Well, I got you documented. I got you documented. I'll get out of your way.
Dog, you're
All right, bro. Wow.